This is going to change your life forever as we embark on this journey of unlocking the power of wealth creation. Welcome to Super Rich Academy, where your financial transformation begins. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating journey with our special series, Unlock Your Wealth. Transform your mindset. Transform your wallet. Imagine a life where wealth flows effortlessly towards you, where every decision propels you towards abundance. That's not just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you. We're here to rewire your financial blueprint, to shift your perspective from scarcity to prosperity. So sit back, embrace the change, and let's unlock the secrets to a richer, more fulfilling life. Your path to wealth starts now, as we're unraveling the golden thread that weaves through the tapestry of wealth creation mindset. Imagine two gardeners, each with identical seeds, the potential for wealth. One plants with doubt, his thoughts clouded by fear of drought. The other sows with certainty, envisioning fields of gold. As time passes, their harvests reflect their mindsets, one scant, the other abundant. Your mind is the fertile ground where ideas sprout. Water it with positivity, enrich it with knowledge, and you'll reap a bountiful harvest. Wealth isn't just about the currency in your wallet, it's the richness of your thoughts that builds empires. Every self-made magnate knows this truth. Wealth begins within. It's a conviction that turns obstacles into stepping stones. When you believe in abundance, you attract opportunities, and your actions align with your aspirations. So ask yourself, are you planting seeds of success or doubt? Transform your mindset, and you transform your life. Your journey to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Pace yourself, stay the course, and remember, the richest person is not the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least. Come on board and let's nurture a mindset of abundance together. Your empire awaits. Understanding wealth mindset. Understanding the power of the mind is pivotal in the journey of wealth creation, where your mindset shapes your future. Imagine wealth as a garden, your thoughts are seeds. Plant positivity and watch prosperity grow. Wealth isn't just about having money. It's about mastering it. It's the art of seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Embrace learning, risk-taking, and persistence. Remember, the richest people aren't those who have the most, but those who need the least. Unlock the wealth mindset and unlock infinite possibilities. Join us and transform your thinking into earning. A wealth mindset isn't just about accumulating riches, it's a philosophy of abundance. It's the belief that there's plenty for everyone and success isn't finite. Those with a wealth mindset invest in themselves, constantly learning and growing. They see money as a tool, not a goal, a means to create value and impact. They're resilient, viewing failures as lessons, not setbacks. It's about making strategic choices, not just hard work. Embrace this mindset, and you'll not only attract wealth, you'll also know how to sustain and multiply it. That's the essence of a wealth mindset. In the world of mindsets, wealth and scarcity stand poles apart. A wealth mindset thrives on abundance, believing there's enough for all. It's proactive, innovative, and expansive. Contrast that with a scarcity mindset which clings to limitations, fears loss, and views life as a pie with shrinking slices. While the wealth mindset invests and grows, scarcity hoards and fears spending. One sees potential and prosperity in risks. The other sees only risk and potential. Shift from scarcity to wealth and watch as doors open and opportunities unfold. That's the transformative power of mindset. Let's walk you through another beautiful phase where we uncover the transformative tales of those who've mastered the wealth mindset. Let's delve into the stories that inspire. In the bustling streets of New York, there's Christiana, a former waitress turned investment guru. She swapped tips for stocks, her intuition for market trends leading her to financial freedom. Her secret? A relentless belief in abundance and a knack for turning every setback into a setup for a comeback. Then there's Greatman from London, who once juggled multiple jobs just to stay afloat. Today he's a renowned author, teaching thousands how to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck life. His wealth mindset was his compass, guiding him through rough seas to the shores of prosperity. Across the globe in Tokyo, meet Yumi, a tech visionary who saw potential in discarded gadgets. She now leads a recycling empire, her wealth mindset fueling a passion for sustainable success. These stories share a common thread, a wealth mindset that sees beyond the horizon. It's about more than money. It's about molding a reality where wealth flows as freely as the ideas that generate it. Embrace this mindset and join the ranks of those who not only dream of wealth but live it every day. The psychology behind wealth. Let's explore psychological theories related to wealth creation, as we dive deep into the psychological theories that unravel the mysteries of wealth creation. Let's embark on a journey through the mind's role in manifesting prosperity. Cognitive dissonance theory suggests that our actions align with our beliefs. Wealth creators often adjust their beliefs to foster positive financial behaviors, turning aspirations into reality. Behavioral economics teaches us about mental accounting, where individuals categorize funds differently, affecting spending and saving habits. Wealth creators use this to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring growth and sustainability. The locus of control concept divides people into two: those who believe they control their destiny and those who feel at the mercy of external forces. Wealth creators possess an internal locus of control, confidently steering their financial ship. Maslow's hierarchy of needs implies that once basic needs are met, individuals seek fulfillment and self-actualization. For wealth creators, this translates into pursuing passions and turning them into profitable ventures. Lastly, the law of attraction posits that positive thoughts bring positive outcomes. Wealth creators visualize success, drawing opportunities and abundance closer. Understanding these theories can transform your approach to wealth. It's not just about money, it's a mindset game. Tune in, apply these principles, and watch as the seeds of wealth flourish in the garden of your mind. Explain how beliefs about money are formed. We unravel the origins of our beliefs about money. It's a journey that begins in childhood, shaped by the echoes of family conversations, societal norms, and cultural values. Family influence. Our earliest lessons about money come from home. Parents' attitudes towards spending, saving, and investing lay the groundwork for our financial blueprint. Whether it's frugality or generosity, these patterns become our money mantras. Societal messages. Society bombards us with messages about money. Media, advertisements, and peer groups all whisper tales of success and failure, influencing our perception of wealth and worth. Personal experiences, life's financial highs and lows teach us resilience or fear. Triumphs breed confidence, while setbacks can instill caution. Each experience etches a line in the story of our monetary beliefs. Education and knowledge, formal education, and self-learning shape our financial literacy. Understanding economics, markets, and personal finance empowers us to form informed beliefs rather than ones based on myths or hearsay. As we grow, these influences intertwine, creating a complex web of beliefs that guide our financial decisions. Recognizing and reflecting on these beliefs is the first step towards cultivating a healthy wealth mindset. Join us as we explore and transform our financial narratives for a prosperous future. Let's look at the impact of upbringing and environment on financial behaviors. By exploring the profound impact of upbringing and environment on our financial behaviors. It's a tale of two influencers, the home where we grow and the world where we thrive. Upbringing, it's the silent teacher. The values instilled by our families, the financial habits we observe, the discussions we overhear, all weave into the fabric of our financial identity. A child watching parents save diligently learns the power of patience, while one who sees generosity may learn the joy of giving. Environment, it's the broader canvas. Our community, culture, and economic climate paint strokes on our financial portrait. A neighborhood that celebrates entrepreneurship can inspire a spirit of innovation, while an economically challenged area might teach resourcefulness and caution. Together, these forces shape our financial psyche. They mold our risk tolerance, our spending patterns, and our saving strategies. They can foster a wealth mindset rich with ambition and optimism, or a scarcity mindset shadowed by fear and doubt. As we journey through life, these early lessons and external influences converge, guiding our financial decisions. Recognizing their power can be transformative, allowing us to rewrite our financial story, one decision at a time. Join us as we unlock these secrets to financial behaviors and take control of our economic destiny. Remember, the path to wealth is a mosaic of mindset, action, and persistence. Keep these key points close and watch as your financial narrative unfolds into one of triumph and abundance. Today marks the beginning of your transformation. Wealth isn't just a dream, it's a decision. It starts with a shift in mindset, from scarcity to abundance, from fear to courage. Embrace learning, welcome risk, and cultivate persistence. Your journey to wealth begins with a single step, a step you can take right now. Commit to one action today, whether it's setting a budget, reading a financial book, or investing in a course. Every moment is an opportunity for growth. Seize it! Start now and let's build a future of prosperity together. As we conclude today's wealth-building journey, remember, your financial transformation awaits. Don't let this be the end. Subscribe to Super Rich Academy for more empowering content. Like, share, and comment with your own stories of growth. Together, we'll forge a community of prosperity. Take the leap, join us, and let's turn wealth into your reality. Act now, because your richest life is just a click away. Thank you for joining us on Super Rich Academy. Remember, wealth isn't just a dream, it's a journey. And every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Explore our curated affiliate products to unlock your wealth potentials. Click the link below to discover tools that can transform your financial future. Act now, because your tomorrow starts today. Let's build that empire together. Watch the next video and keep investing in your growth and stay super rich. Don't let the journey end here. Until next time, keep investing in your wealth of knowledge.